How to change background in Photoshop. Hello guys and welcome back to the channel. In today's video I'm going to show you how you can quickly change a background in Photoshop. So let's dive in. First, you gotta unlock your image layer by clicking the lock icon. It's super easy. Now head to the toolbar and grab the object selection tool. So this will help you isolate the subject in just a few clicks. Next, you gotta look for the remove background option in the contextual taskbar and click it. Just like that, Photoshop will erase the background for you. If you don't see the taskbar, no worries, just go to Windows and then click on contextual taskbar and you'll find it there. Now, then after that, you gotta add a new background. So simply drag and drop your chosen image into Photoshop. Make sure the new background layer is beneath your subject so that everything looks right. To resize it, go to Edit, Free Transform, then adjust the size to fit your composition. And that's it. That was a quick and effective way to replace a background in Photoshop. So if you found this guide helpful, give it a thumbs up and don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tutorials. I'll see you in the next video.